Hi, it's Ian Clark, founder of Red Power Station. Many people have phones that can take video, and it's tempting to use them to make your own video. Okay, the picture quality can be good, but the sound is usually terrible. For instance, I'm using a Lavalier microphone, but when I switch it off, I sound like this. But when I switch it on again, I sound like this. Sound makes a huge difference. Even if the picture is not great, if you can hear the speaker clearly, it makes all the difference. Making your own videos can help you see what works and does not work. But I implore you, get a professional so that you sound great. Look out for my next video, how to make your video look amazing.